UK to LA, been so many beautiful places, party with beautiful faces, but only one stands out, even though she's a little bit crazy. I love a challenging lady. I said I ain't got a Lamborghini, but a couple of bottles of martini. She wants to see the whole world, I can't afford it, but oh well. I love the sound of Europe, I heard the club's enormous. I wanna party you now.